Hello, my name is Alona and I'm Bara. Today I want to warn all the girls from buying on the website theybiodance.com. I wanted to order masks, the popular TikTok masks from brand Biodance. And I found a website, theybiodance.com, and ordered 10 masks. But instead of original masks, I become this. Here is no name of the brand, no instruction, no expiry date, just really nothing. The shop don't answer me. I don't have any contacts. I can write just an email, but they don't answer. Please be safe and don't buy from this website, theybiodance.com. I wish you a safety online shopping.